if it was on the front, I'd say, we'll try to get away with that. But on the back, that's not enough stud sticking through the nut.
This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. You're watching Makeshift Garage.
Welcome back, broskies. I got a little special something in store. We're gonna take these 10-inch, nice, sticky Mickeys. I think they're Mickeys. Oh no, they're Coopers. These are Coopers. We're gonna take these sticky Coopers and we're gonna stick them on the back of the Cordoba and see how it looks. Let's give it a try. If they're 4.5s, yeah, they look like 4.5s. I'm gonna put a ruler on and make sure before I go all the way out there with it. Yup, 4.5. Look at that tire, man. She's nice. These originally were on the Jackass, but then I changed them over because that's 5-inch. I changed them over and I put them on here. I forget why. Oh, because I was going to put them on the 63.5. That's why. But now we got other tires for there. So let's check it out. Let's see if they fit. Ruh-roh. I don't even know if this is going to fit. Hey broski, so check it out. We lost the volume on the video, so I'm gonna do a little commentary over this. Let's rock and roll. So basically right here, I was trying to tell everybody that this tire is okay. Everything's good. The rim is good. It is off of 1976. No, I'm sorry. It was off of 1977. This is a 1976 Cordoba, and that's off of 77. And they're rally tires. They look good. They look good. They look nice. They kind of fill the hole, and they, fit the era. We're going to try something new, though. We got this big old fatty tire here. Here you go. And we're going to try to jam that thing in the hoe. So look at it. Look at it. Is she a fatty? She a 10-inch rim, 10-inch tire. It's a low profile, though. What I really want to do is I want to pull the motor, rebuild it. It's a 360. The 360s are a good motor. I want to rebuild it, maybe put a mild cam in it, maybe switch the heads, give it a little more oomph, put a 4-barrel instead of a 2, and change the tranny. Actually rebuild the tranny. Just take it out and rebuild it. That'd be the best thing to do. So look at the car. She's good. She's nice. No rot. No rust. Let's jack it up and get this job done. I was kind of picking on Devin saying, hey, I don't think I'm going to like this. I think this is more your style, this tire on this car. And he's like, come on, put it on, put it on. I want to take it around, drive it around town, see how it feels, see how it looks, see how it does. So I'm taking it off. And look, what do I run into? These things got caps on them. Oh man, they're getting stuck in the socket. And I'm like, what in the world? I didn't know they had little silver caps on top of what a pain in the buttinsky. Let me inspect the brakes while we're here. What do you say? So look at them. Look at them. They're pretty good. They're about halfway. I said, you know what? I ain't doing nothing. Send it. So here we go. I popped the tire on. What do you think? What do you think? She's not filling the hoe. No way, she's not. It takes me a minute to get it on because I ain't Devin. He smacks them things on like he's in NASCAR, but I can't get him on that quick. So here we go. I got it on. I finger tight. I try to get this thing. I'm already crying. Look at me. I'm already saying, nah, I don't know. You think this is good? She don't fill the hole, bro. I pop it on. She does look fat from the back. I got to give Devin that. It does look fat from the back. But when I drop the jack, let's see what it looks like. Come on. Get the last one on there. I got a surprise for you guys. I don't even want to tell you what it is. I told you about the Falcon. We're going to pick that up. But we got another vehicle, too. She's local, too, man. It's a 53. I'm not even going to tell you any more than that. We're going to make a video out of it, I think. It's going to be fun. So I'm checking the shocks. I'm looking at it. It's not going to hit the tire. I'm jumping on it. I'm 200 pounds. It won't hit the tire. But it kind of don't fill the hole, man. It looks a little weird to me. I don't know. I'm contemplating. I'm thinking, what do you think, Dev? He's like, yeah, let's send it. Let's send it. But I had one issue. I did have an issue. I didn't like it. He loved it. Well, he liked it. And I didn't so much like it. So I says, come on, let's see it from the back. What does it look like on the back? So I'm like, come on, man. What do you think, Dev? Really? Do you like it? What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. Do you like it or do you not like it? I don't know. Let's see from the back here. What do we got? Yeah, she fat. She does look fat. But I'm not sure if I like it, man. All right, I'm done with my commentary. Enjoy the rest of the video. So Devin likes it, but you know what? I kind of don't. But here's the deciding factor. That bolt, look how much it's still not on. If those threads were sticking on the outside of the bolt, I'd say we could leave it on for a day or two and have some fun with it. But the fact that it has the wrong studs, you got to knock them studs out and put longer studs in. They sell racing studs. They're really strong. I have them on a Jackass. That's, if it was on the front, I'd say, we'll try to get away with that. But on the back, that's not enough stud sticking through the nut. So guess what? No bueno, broski. It's coming off. They definitely weren't on enough. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. All right. I ain't that old. It's not the real McDeal. I think I have real lugs. Just like this, but they're real. They're not covers. You guys have a good night. We're going home to eat dinner. Listen, if we get new studs, we'll wait until we pull the motor and do the tranny and do it all right. And then maybe we'll do that. But I still think we should get a higher profile fatty for the back, because that lower profile didn't fill the hole. It looks silly. Something bigger that's closer, and, you know, some, maybe even tub it, like sink them in some. I don't know, man. Put a 4-link in it. There's so much you could do. But for tonight, let's go have spaghetti and meatballs with Italian bread. See you guys later, broski. Don't forget, get off the couch, get outside, get something done.